Hello friends, welcome to this video on C Programming MCQs. So let us take a look at this question. So it says that we have the main function, okay, and inside the main function we have two variables, int I is equal to 20 and int j, which is initialized to 25. Then we have a const int pointer ptr and it is storing the address of variable I. That means that ptr will be pointing to variable I. After that, we have a printf, okay, which is printing whatever value is stored, okay, inside ptr. So asterisk ptr means that whatever address is stored in ptr, what is the value stored at that address, right? So in case of star ptr, okay, that is the value pointed by ptr also, we can say, right? So okay, and then ptr. Now in line number 11 we have reinitialized ptr, okay, to address of j. So we can say now ptr is pointing to variable number j. So variable j it is pointing. Earlier it was pointing to variable I and now it is pointing to variable j. And then in line number 12 we are again printing the value, okay, whatever is stored, whatever is pointed by ptr. So whatever is stored in ptr is an address, but whatever is pointed by ptr, okay, will be a value, okay. So and then return 0. So just pause the video and try it out, try a dry run, and we'll discuss the solution after that. So I hope you have done a dry run and you have come to the solution. So the correct solution, okay, for this question is option number A, okay, which is 20 and 25. So let's try it out and let's run it. So you see ptr 10 and then ptr is equal to 20. So the interesting point was the use of const int pointer ptr, okay, that could have actually led to, okay, different kind of solutions, okay, in this question. But fortunately, okay, in this question, okay, nothing of that sort happened and everything worked well. So let's see why. So when we do a const int pointer ptr, okay, what does this really mean? Okay, so let me go down and let me tell you the exact thing, okay, that this thing means. That means that we can change the pointer to point to any other integer variable, but we cannot change the value of the object pointed using the pointer. That means that this ptr, okay, can store the address of variable I. Then the ptr pointer, okay, can also store, okay, the address of variable j or any other variable also, okay. So the address, okay, that is stored, okay, can be changed, but the value that is stored, okay, cannot be changed, okay. So or you can say the value that is pointed by ptr, okay. So for example, if you try to do something like this, okay, let me give you an example. So if you try to do right now, okay, ptr is storing and j, or probably I will do it after this step, okay, and I'll show you what will happen. So you say printf, okay, and inside printf if you do something like the same thing, let's copy, okay, and we will do one operation before we do the printf. So let's print the value, but before printing the value I will change the value that is stored. So ptr is equal to say 100, okay. Now let us see what will happen, okay. So let's, sorry, pointer ptr only, right? Yeah. So command s, and now let us execute our code. So you see that an error, okay, came in the compilation, okay, and even like if you're using Visual Studio Code or any other editor, you will see the error here only, right? It's a syntax error. But otherwise, even if you're using Linux or any other, okay, where you are basically executing a code, you will see this on compilation, okay. You will see that error, read-only variable is not assignable, okay. So this read-only variable is not assignable came because you had this const int pointer ptr. So if I removed const variable inside this, okay, and if we check what is the impact of this, okay, let's have only this much, int pointer ptr. Now if you check, okay, what will happen? Now the error is gone, okay, and if I clear the screen and I compile it again, you see 20, 25 and 100, all three values got printed properly, right? So that was because of the const int pointer. So this kind of operation, right, at line number 15 cannot be done if you have a const int. So that was the concept of this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.